Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Home Improvement Life with Drew. In this instance, what we're going to do is, instead of me doing the DIY stuff, is I've challenged some content creators who happen to be from the Philippines to do a video, or to look at a video that I found online to help create a air conditioner-less air conditioner. So in other words, to cool the air without actually having to have an air conditioner. 5 different videos, and we're going to go in alphabetical order. So there's no favoritism being first or last. It's just it's alphabetical order. And then at the end of this video, people will vote and choose, after watching the premiere, who they thought the best one was. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I did, and let's get going with the first one.
Hello everyone! Yun. So, we're going to make a DIY fan air conditioner. So, kailangan natin ng dalawang ice. Ayan. Dalawang ice yan. And cable tie. So, maiksi lang ang ating cable tie, guys. So, okay na yan. Carry yan. Try na natin to. Ay, nasa na yun? Ayan, challenge. Oh my gosh. Ayan, talian natin siya. Talian natin ang kanyang katawan. Pati ang kanyang, ay, parang natin sobrang layo. Talian natin ang kanyang katawan, guys. Ayun, talian naman. Talian natin. Talian naman, guys. So, ayan, ikapit natin yung pangalawa. Okay, nakapit na siya, guys. Ayan. Tadaan! So, haluin na natin to. So, ang ating temperature today, ang ating temperature dito sa loob ng kwarto is 27.4 degrees Celsius. So, aalamin natin mamaya kung effective siya at kung ilan ang nababawas sa kanyang temperature. So, ayan ha, 27.4 for now na hindi pa natin na-open ang ating fan. So, let's try to open our fan. Open natin siya, guys. Hintayin natin siya. Wait natin until 10 minutes. So, time check is 3:40 p.m. So, try natin hanggang 3:50 p.m. Bumababa na siya, guys. Bumababa na yung temperature. At saka, lamig-lamig na din siya ng konti. Ng konti lang. Ayan, sige, hintayin lang natin. Mababa pa naman yung 10 minutes. So far, guys, meron na tayong 30 minutes. So, from 27.4, meron na tayong 26.5 degrees Celsius. Ayan, sa 30 minutes na hinihintay natin. So, try natin until 10 minutes. So, wait lang natin yung 10 minutes. 26.1, 26.1 na siya guys, from 27.4, naging 26.5, and now 26.1. For 10 minutes, malalaman natin kung hanggang saan ang kaya niyang i-cool down, and within 10 minutes. So, meron tayong 5 minutes, another 5 minutes guys. We need to wait another 5 minutes kung hanggang saan kaya na i-cool down. So, for now, meron pa siyang 26.1 degrees Celsius. Oh, 26 na siya guys, 26.0 degrees Celsius. So, pababa na siya pababa. So, still waiting. Sana mag-cool down pa talaga siya, no? Para talagang malaman natin kung gaano siya ka. Kung very effective pa siya na makakapagbaba ng init sa buong paligid. Hindi na yung mga tubig. Tubig sa baba. Kaya natin kung within 5 minutes makakapababa ng 26. Sana bumaba pa siya, no? Tubig! Bumaba pa! Come on! Wait lang natin until 3:50 p.m. So, meron na tayong 3:47 p.m. So, 3 minutes na lang ang ating hihintayin. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Yan guys, so 26.0 degrees Celsius. Yung kwarto na ito guys, mainit talaga ito kasi semento siya, tsaka mainit yung panahon na yun. So, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left na lang. Pang hanggang dito na lang siguro talaga siya sa 26. Hindi na siya magbababa. Kaya 26 pa rin siya. And 2 minutes. Yan, 2 minutes na lang. Ganun ba yun siya? 26. Parang yun lang yata yung kaya ng i-cool down. Hanggang 26 degrees Celsius. Ay! Bumaba pa siya! 25.8! Yuhuu! Nag-25.8 na siya! Woohoo! So, meron na lang tayong 1 minute. 1 minute, yung time natin is 3 and 49 minutes. Meron na lang tayong 1 minute. 1 minute left! Woohoo! So, hanggang saan kaya niyang i-cool down? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. May ganon. Ay, shout out, Drew. Thank you for this challenge. Thank you. Ayan, so time is up. So, natapos na natin ang 10 minutes. So, it's 3:50 p.m. na guys. So, ang ating na-cool down ay 25.8. 25.8 ang na-cool down niya guys. Yung from 27.4, ang binaba niya is 25.8. So yun na guys, and thank you Drew for this challenge. I hope you have I hope everyone watching and you enjoy our premiere guys, and thank you for this challenge Drew. Salamat. And yeah, 25.8. Oh guys, yeah, thank you. And dito na mag-end. Dito na. Hanggang dito na lang. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye! Ang haba-haba na ng video. Bye na guys. Thank you!
Hello guys! Shout out! For today's video, I'm going to make a DIY aircon from electric fan turned into aircon using this two frozen bottle. Tama ba yun? 2 frozen bottle. And then this is what I'm using, what I use, and then I have for this one to tie here the frozen bottle. And first, our temp now it's 33. Wait, let's see if this one 33.1 Celsius. Oh, my temp is small because my temp is accidentally full. So this one, I don't know if you can see it, 33.1 now. And then let's see how it works. I need to tie this one. Wait, let's see. Oh my god, ang lamig. Shout out Sir Drew, thank you for this challenge. It's very challenging for me, Sir Drew. Thank you, Sir Drew. Challenge accepted, Sir Drew. Oh my god, ang lamig. Let's see guys, let's see kung malamig. Kung gaano siya kalamig. Kung lalamig, ay! Ang dulas. Madulas siya. Wala, ayaw niya nang bumalik. Oh my goodness. I need to get another one. Ayaw niyang matanggal. So, kailangan unahin natin sa baba. My God, I'm shaking. Time, it's already... And I didn't eat my breakfast yet. It's already 12. Oh no, 1. Busy, so busy. This one next. Next. Oh my goodness. Very challenging. Huwag kang maingay dyan. Yeah! Wait. Another, wait. I'm go. Sorry guys, I'm get another one. I get another nylon tire. Here. Oh, I'm sweating. So hot. It's so hot. Nanginginig ako. Nanginginig, nag-video, gutom. Oh my goodness. Alis ka dyan, Golden. Umalis ka dyan, huwag ka dyan. May bata ba ditong pasaway? Oh my goodness. Ito pala yung sinabi na Luha, huwag mag-video ng gutom. Ay, baliktad. Oh no. Baliktad siya. Okay. Another tie. Paano ba to? Oh my goodness. My video is long na. Thank you, Sir Drew. This is my first time. It's very challenging for me, this one, Sir Drew. Ouch. This bottle is 1 liter. Oh my God, done. Done. And then let's turn around. You see, guys, it's hard because I don't have tripod, guys. Sorry. I need to put heavy here because it's going to vibrate. Oh my God, ang init. And then we're going to cover the electric fan. Okay. Lock. Oh my God, AJ is crying. Wait, my love. Mama is multitasking now. And next, I'm going to put a towel down here because the frozen, the ice is melting. So this one, let's see guys how it works and how's the cooling effects. If our temp is down to our previous temp 33.1, and let's see. So on. Wait. Oh, see? Wow! Wow, Sir Drew. It's, Sir Drew, it works. It's cold now. Umalis ka na dyan. Let's feel the cold, how it works, and let's see the temp is going down. Is it cold? Oh, sorry, my English, Sir Drew. I'm not so good in English. This is number Let's wait for how many minutes, Sir Drew, and then I update the temp. And now let's update, guys. I stay in call about 5 minutes, and then the temp, it's see 29. 5 minutes or 6 minutes I waited, and I like that, do like that, because the calling is called, it's amazing, Sir Drew. Thank you for this idea, thank you for this challenge. The temp now, it's 29, I don't know, it's, you see guys, 29.6. So thank you so much, Sir Drew. Thank you for this challenge. Thank you so much for allowing me to join. I'm sorry if I'm late because I'm a little bit busy. Thank you, Sir Drew, and thank you guys. God bless. Thank you so much, Sir Drew. Thank you for this challenge. Bye.
Hello, Sir Drew. Ayan, Sir Drew, thank you so much for choosing me as the one of your participant for your challenge, DIY air conditioner challenge. We have, here is my, here is my materials. We have, anong tawag nito, LJ? Nylon set tie. Ayan. And then the bottle of water. We have also this one. I ordered this to Shopee. Ayan. So, draw. Challenge accepted. Ang liit kasi nung kinuha mong tali. Kasi hindi ko siya. Hala, hindi ko mahanap ng bukas. Wala pala akong salamin. Halo ka. Iyon mo muna yun. Iyon mo muna salamin ko. Hindi ko makita yung butas.
Ako na kasi. I-post niyo to.
Asan yung ano? Salamin ko nga. Hindi ko makita yung butas.
Ako na. Magaling kasi kayo eh. Akin na.
Ano to? Nakapost?
No.
Kaloka ka.
Kayo bumalik. Magalo kasi kayo eh.
May IC kung maglalak nga.
Baliktad naman yung pinang-ano niya ma.
It's okay. Tama na yan. Hala, ba't ang layo? Dapat pala dito.
Ito lang mo kasi
Okay,
nasa
okay.
dulo ng LC.
Okay, sige. Next. Ayan, ayan. Sana talaga. Ay, nanay ko! Nahulog yung yung tinali ni LG. Ayan, Sir Joe. I'm done. I will wait and see the result of my experiment. Yeah. Okay?
Baka yung electric ko naman yung tumalit.
LJ, baka later our electric fan will
So
go broke.
So weird. Mali ma, hindi pantay dito.
It's not weird, mahal.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. So, tumalit.
You need to...
So weird.
And that's right. I'm done. And then, let's watch. Dun, 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 dun.
Tignan niyo
Let's
muna
see.
kung gumagana yung ano nyo, temperature.
Oh my God. It's not, this is not working. Maybe it's fake.
Ano siya? Ito yung, ay,
Init ngayon is
32 degrees. Tapos,
ayan, 32 degrees.
33.
Ay, 33 yung init natin.
Today.
33. namin. The hygrometers is not working. I'll bought the fake item. 33, 28, and then wait a minute.
Pwede nyo naman yan i-post, di ba? Ito yung sa outdoor. Ito yung sa indoor since nakatapat siya sa electric fan.
Indoor yung
Ito. Ito outdoor.
Ay, naku. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, Sir Drew. Shout out everyone. Shout out to Sir Drew. And thank you so much, Sir Drew, for sponsoring this challenge, our DIY challenge. I have materials here, and also good luck also to our contenders. So here is my materials. I have zip tie. I will double this one because cannot fit the only one. So then I have bottled ice. Then I have also what's this hygrometer. So this, our temperature right now is 27. So in weather here in Baguio, it's 26. Yeah, so let's go and let's try to put this one in the at the back of electric pan, and I will put, let's try, and I will show you the how many temperature we got. Then let's go. We try to put the this the bottle water. So I have water bottle here. I will put the zip tie here. It's very hard to put, but yeah, let's try. This, I will put the one bottle, another bottle. So here, I will put now the ice bottle at the electric fan. I will cut this one. I will cut this, and before babalik muna natin yung cover, guys, para hindi lumipad yung AC. Here, so that's it, and I will use now the hygrometer. Let me see how many temperature we got. I will open now the fan. Oh, it's cool.
Yes.
So it's already functioning, our electric fan and the ice bottle. So we'll wait for the 10 minutes to see the if the temperature is lower down to 27. So let's see again later after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, guys, let's see the temperature. If it worked, the temperature before is 27 degrees, but now it's 24. So it really works. The temperature we from 27 lower down to 24. So the easy DIY easy is it works. So you can use this one inside your house. Here it's already cold inside our house. Look, mine, it's cold here. So the easy DIY is work. So yeah, you can try this one in your house. You can save electricity. So that's it. Thank you so much, Sir Drew, for this challenge, the easy DIY challenge. Thank you so much, and good luck to our contenders. And thank you so much. God bless. Bye.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Drew's channel, or welcome back to Drew's channel. Today we're going to make a DIY aircon to beat the heat. But before we jump in, please make sure to like and subscribe, and of course ring that notification bell so you're always updated whenever he drops a new video. Yun lang. Salamat po, and thank you sa mga nandito sa premiere. Welcome here sa sa channel ni Drew. Thank you so much sa support nyo, guys. Thank you. All right, let's get back to work, guys. To make this DIY aircon, we are going to need a 2 bottle frozen, tapos 4 pieces na cable tie. Ayan, 4 pieces pang tie. At syempre, guys, hindi pwedeng makalimutan yung electric fan. Ayan. Basahan dapat sa ilalim. Kasi tutulo yung tubig sa likod. Ay, sarap na. Pinawisan ako doon. Ang mahirap lang yung yung pag magkakabit ka ng cable tie. Medyo mahirap siya pag mag-isa ka lang. Kasi kailangan mong hawakan yung bote bago mo, para ma-lock mo yung cable tie. Nag-34, oh, mainit. It's hot. It's 34. Let's wait. Time now is 12:01. Ayan. Let's wait. Hello, Ninong Drew. Say hello, Ninong Drew. Hello, Ninang Chrissy. Anong Chrissy? Ninang. Ninang Chrissy. Hello, Ninang Mildred. Hello, Tita Des. Hello, Tita Manet. Tita Manet. Hello, 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 Clem, Clem. Yellow. She's asking what's behind the electric fan. It's ice. It's frozen bottled water. Guys, lipat tayo dito sa baba kasi nagngangawa si Clem dun sa taas. So, 35. Nagngangawa si Clem sa taas eh. Umiikot siya, umiikot. Time check, everyone. It's 12:28. Oh my God. Gulat yarn. Look, it's now 30. From 35, guys. From 35 degrees. Naging 30 na siya. Wow! I'm so amazed. Thank you so much, Drew, and sa ating DIY aircon. Medyo tunaw na siya. Oh. Kasi parang almost 30 minutes na ba to? Ah, it's magic. Look, 30 degrees na talaga. I'm so happy. Time is 2:16. Ayan, after 2 hours. Ayan, tunaw na guys. Tunaw na yung ating frozen bottled water. It's all melted. Ayan. Kasi sobrang init nga ngayon. Nabot lang siya ng 2 hours. Kasi ano lang naman siya, 1 liter. These bottles are only 1 liter each. So they last for only 2 hours. Ayun. Thank you, Drew, for this unexpected DIY aircon challenge. It turned out a massive help for us. We learned so much. And this knowledge is going to be a lifesaver during the hot summer months. And good luck also to my fellow challengers, Mane, Des, Marie Mildred, and Kapitana, LJ Rose. Good luck to all of us. May the best DIYer wins. And to those who are going to vote for me, thank you so much in advance. I truly appreciate your support. Good luck sa ating lahat, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Drew, Marie Chrissy. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got a lot out of it. And maybe this is something you can try as well. So I'll see you on the next one. If you like this kind of content, hit like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.